Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the iPhone 17 Pro. Just got it, and we're gonna check this out. I'm currently been using the 16 Pro, so we're gonna see what we've got here. I also have the new AirPods Pro and the new Apple Watch Titanium. But let's see what we've got here. So this is it here. Got a little bit of weight to it. I don't know if it's heavier than the other one, probably not. But this is what it looks like here. It's unboxing, but it comes within the box. It came with that screen protector on it. It comes with some instructions, and it comes with a wire that is gonna be, it's like just USB to USB-C, and it's one of those fabric kind of wires. You can kind of see that. So that's really all you're gonna get in the box. Let's see if we turn this puppy on. I think we just hold down the button, and we are turning it on. So first turn on for this one. It looks pretty cool. It's got the Apple logo on the back there, and let's see how the magnet works. The magnet's gonna work good. The magnet sits up there, so that is good. So we've got that. I'm gonna have to get a case for this one here. I actually have a case somewhere, but this is what it looks like here. So we are in. So I'm gonna go English. United States is where I live, and the appearance, I will just say default. And here we go, ready to set up. So pretty cool. So I like it. So there we go. That's the iPhone 17 Pro, and I got the 1 gig or 1 terabyte version. And so it's gonna be setting this puppy up all day. So very cool. Thumbs up.